Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize projects in Google Flow step by step. As you create more AI videos and creative projects, keeping everything organized makes it much easier to find, manage, and continue your work. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google Flow using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your existing projects. Take a moment to review your project list. If Google Flow allows renaming projects, give each project a clear and descriptive name so you can identify it quickly later. For example, instead of using a generic name, use names that describe the video's topic or purpose. Next, look for available sorting or filtering options on the dashboard. Depending on the current version of Google Flow, you may be able to sort projects by recent activity, creation date, or project name. This makes it much easier to locate the project you need. If folders, collections, or similar organization features are available in your version of Google Flow, use them to group related projects together. For example, you can keep tutorial videos, marketing content, and personal projects in separate groups for easier management. It's also a good idea to remove projects you no longer need. If you're sure a project is no longer useful, delete it to keep your workspace clean and reduce clutter. Before deleting anything, make sure you've downloaded any videos or files you want to keep. Finally, review your project list regularly. Spending just a few minutes organizing your workspace can save a lot of time when you're creating new videos or returning to older projects. And that's how to organize projects in Google Flow in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.